Good evening, my fellow seekers of happiness and serenity. So, for the last 2 nights, I uploaded two different pieces of music, which are intended for relaxation purposes. I use them, I listen to them. I have a 15-minute version of each one, and I quite often listen to that. And if you haven't, or if you have investigated them and you're thinking, what's going on here? Let me explain. First of all, they're from another channel I run, and which is dedicated to relaxing music and affirmations done the right way rather than the airy-fairy way that is recommended elsewhere. And they are not intended for hypnosis purposes. So there's no hypnosis going on whatsoever there. They are there for relaxation and or meditation purposes. And when I say meditation purposes, there are written instructions on basic relaxation stroke meditation exercises depending on how much focus you want to put into it. So they're breathing exercises, the breathing in, the holding of it and concentrating or focusing on the breath as you breathe out and breathe in. And that will both relax you, and if you close your eyes, it can form a meditation as well. It becomes basically a deeper form of relaxation. But if you just want to perform the exercise as a physical exercise while you are doing other things and listening, it will work on that level as well. So it's a bit like going and lying on your bed and remaining conscious versus taking a nap. And some people would say it's exactly the same thing. But those who meditate successfully would say, no, meditation is different from taking a nap because you remain pretty conscious most of the time, unless you're very, very tired, in which case you needed the nap. Anyway, getting to the point, they're quite safe to use, except obviously in situations where your full attention is needed. So if you've got like cooking or you're driving or you're operating heavy machinery, is the usual one. I'm not sure anybody does much of that anymore, but if you are, then it's probably not safe to listen even to the music. The music itself, if you just want to listen to that, will also relax and calm you. And another form of meditation is just to pick the melodic elements or the drone. It's called a drone for a reason, like the drone and bagpipes is kind of the underlying chord on which everything else floats. So it's a bit like you are in a boat on your back staring up at the sky, or in a boat not on your back looking at the scenery as it passes by, but you're drifting very, very slowly and having a calming, relaxing experience. So that's how to use those. And if you really, really like them and you give them a few thumbs ups, then I'll consider uploading some more. But if not, two's enough. That's all you need, really, honestly. So that basically is it for today. 10 minutes with those. If you need to run it for a further 10 minutes, do so. But at the end, you should be relaxed. Do not jump up and start doing jumping jacks or running a marathon or anything like that. That would be not good, because you're going to be a little bit groggy, a little bit maybe disorientated if you have been meditating and you've gone fairly deep into meditation, because your stressed out body and mind needed it. And that's what these things are for. They are to counteract stress on your body and on your mind. Okay, so that's it for today. enjoy the music, and I'll be back tomorrow with something different.